Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be actually demonstrating how I do my hair using the Dyson Airwrap which I recently got. So my hair is still wet. As you can see, I've just come out of the shower. So I'm going to start showing you how I use it. So these are the three buttons which are primarily there on the rod. This one is the switch on and off button. Then this one controls the speed, and this one on the right side controls the intensity of the heat that we would want. So I'm placing the first attachment, which is a blow dryer. I'm going to dry my hair randomly and it will instantly dry my hair. So the idea here is to reach 80% of hair dryness before you start using other attachments. I'm going to section my hair so that it's easier that way and it works effectively. And then after that, I'm going to take the second attachment, which is used for straightening the hair, and I'm going to start straightening my hair strand by strand. So what I do is I first start using it with medium heat, and then I increase the heat to the highest point for that straightened look of the hair. I'm going to repeat the step through all the strands that I'm making, giving special focus on the crown area because that's where it is a little hard to reach, so I actually will brush a little more towards that area. So this is how it will look with my straightened hair using the Dyson Airwrap hair straightener attachment. And now moving on, I can also curl my hair, which actually takes no time. So I'm going to shift to another attachment of the curler and I'm going to curl my strands. And the idea here is to just hold the attachment through every strand for at least 10 seconds. Two kinds of curlers. One is an outward curler and one is an inward curler. Right now I'm using the outward one. And I'm going to repeat the same thing for all the different strands that I'm creating for myself. Once all the sections are done, then I can just set my hair the way I want and we are done here. It's very quick, it is super effective, and it's absolutely worth the money. I'm enjoying buying it and it honestly doesn't damage my hair, which is a super plus point. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you liked watching it. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.